The Center for Mathematical Sciences is the hub for all the research activity that goes on in our department, from whether it be conferences or lecture series or summer schools.
The CMS was established in its first form in 1988 with the idea of being the facilitator for research activity within the Department of Mathematics, so would upgrade the whole activity of mathematics at the department. We have approximately had something like 3,000 mathematicians visit the Technion over the years in various conferences and activities from all over the world. So when those people go back to, say, Europe or the United States or India and China, and they have good things to say about the Technion, this has a tremendous effect in terms of connections of mathematicians here and mathematicians in those countries. If we have members of the department who want to organize conferences, we help them with the organization and everything that is included. Typically, we would have something like 3, 4, depending on what goes on in the department, a year. We've had a conference in Nachsholim, which is on the beach. And when you travel around the world, people ask you, when is the next conference in Nachsholim? It's a lot of fun and people really like it. A different kind of activity is special lecture series, where we invite top-rate people from all over the world to spend a week at the Technion, give a series of 3 lectures. This is a great opportunity for researchers at the Technion to really meet the very best of mathematics around the world. And of course, we have the summer schools. We collect lectures from around the world, invite either graduate students or postdocs or undergraduates. They get to have a great time being exposed to great math.
For the past decade, our department's offered a week-long summer school. Sometimes the targeted audience is advanced undergraduates and beginning graduate students. Sometimes it's advanced graduate students and postdocs.
Most of the studies in bachelor are about theories which are already complete, and research is about unknown problems. We allow the students to experience what it means before they start their graduate studies.
The students are divided into small groups and they experience real current research in the department. For each small groups of about 3 students, there's a mentor from the faculty in the department. The mentor needs to choose a research topic that is really representative of his current research, but can be made so clear for undergraduates that they can actually contribute something to the research.
The format of the summer school usually includes several mini courses as well as individual lectures given by prominent mathematicians from around the world. I organized the 2015 summer school, which we dubbed Mostly Markov Mixing. And there we were very fortunate to procure Percy Diaconis and Yuval Perez, who also happened to be great lecturers.
A unique component of the summer school is a series of outreach lectures that are always linked to the mini courses. So, for example, we could have a mini course on microstructure evolution and then have an experimentalist doing microscopy. That brings a broader context. We want them to interact, we want them to feel comfortable and exchange ideas. Almost every day we do something after the lecture hours.
We take them out to the beach to experience the city of Haifa. They get to mingle with faculty members, postdocs and students. They get a lot of discussions among themselves. It's really a summer camp.
The great thing about the department is you really feel that you're welcome, and you really feel that you're part of a small family that is very knitted together. The mathematical community in Israel, everyone is kind of knowing each other and talking to each other. It's a great thing, I think.